I'm Lori.
And I'm Rick.
And here we go again. Guys, we are bringing to you a cute little campground in Sevierville, Tennessee called Two Rivers Landing RV Resort and Campground.
Yeah, guys, please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe to our channel. Help us out. Hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can get all of our upcoming videos. But as Lori was saying, this is a small campground, but it's very nice.
Nice.
By the river, concrete, all that stuff. But stay tuned and check it out. Thanks.
Bye.
All right, guys, so here we are visiting Two Rivers Landing RV Resort in Sevierville, Tennessee. This is pretty easy to get to. It is right off of 66, and as you can tell, it is right next to the French Broad River with some amazing views of the river. This is pretty just right behind the Smoky Mountain Knife Works. A lot of people visit it. As you can tell, it's right on your left here, the blue roof, but it is just behind it, but it is super quiet and tucked in there.
Yes. There are 50 to 60 sites in this campground. Like we said, it is one of the smaller campgrounds we visited. They have concrete pads. It's very well kept. The landscaping is beautiful. In this building here, the main building, they actually have a large laundry room, a fitness center, large, nice sized bathhouses. The laundry room has 5 washers and 5 dryers, which is kind of nice for this many people. That's actually really good. Behind the clubhouse, there's actually a pool, playground. The pool is kind of on the small side, but it overlooks the river, which is really nice.
Amazing view of the river. It is so nice to sit out there and look at the river and watch the kids swim, play. Very nice.
As you can see, all the landscaping is practically the same on every lot. You have the trees behind your RVs, which you get some shaded areas there. There is probably some more growth that could be used on some of the trees around there to give more shade or added shade. They actually have a gazebo over there and areas to fish. As far as pets, they are pet friendly, but they are asking no aggressive dog
breeds.
Yes,
and take it as you will, but you know, we had no issue being there, but
no.
They want your dogs on a leash. And also, this is one of those campgrounds that unfortunately for us, they do not like cages, fences for pets, and but you know, we get around that.
And I'm guessing if you have yappy dogs like we do, if they are left alone, they don't want them disturbing other people. So if they tend to cry the majority of the time when you're out, they may ask you to leave.
Yeah, our dogs are pretty yappy. They like to say hi to everybody. So
Cargo side.
Absolutely.
They're also full hookup, like I believe we've already said. Free cable TV, Wi-Fi. They also have dish capabilities, I guess.
Yes, Wi-Fi, cable TV, but the rates on this, Lori, was not too bad for all concrete, all full hookup per se, and it was in off season. You know, you could go there for about $40 per night, and if you are there during the main season, you're going to pay $60 to $70, which isn't too awfully bad for that Sevierville area, especially if you've got some big Class A and Class C motorhomes, but their campsites are very large.
Which, being outside of the Pigeon Forge area, you're still within about 20 to 30 minutes away from the area attractions, depending upon the traffic at the time.
I think what I tracked was you were about 8 miles from the Tanger outlets and around 10 miles to the Pirates Voyage when we went and did the Pirates Voyage.
Yes.
But which is, not too bad. It's just all about traffic, and if you're
time of
visiting,
year.
if you're visiting the Smoky Mountains, you have dealt with traffic. But guys, we thank you for checking out this campground. We really enjoy it. It's beautiful. It's got some very nice scenery, and they take care of this campground very well. I've got a picture of the pool here coming up at the end, but we really appreciate you guys watching and subscribing. Please check out our other videos and subscribe if you haven't already.
All right, guys, we'll see you later. God bless, and be safe. Bye.
Hi guys, if you haven't already, go check out our apparel store. I will leave a link in the description of this video, but you can use the promo code which you see on your screen now, HWGA20, for 20% off anything in the store for a limited time. Thanks. Bye.